time with you and me. This is a cat, this is a dog, this is a book. Look, look, look. This is a pen, this is a chair, this is a teacher standing there. Yeah, call. This is one, only one, just one. Say it loud, say it clear. This is fun. These are many, more than one, so many. Clap your hands and say again. These are funny. These are cats.
These are dogs.
These are ducks.
These are books.